Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change account in Rise of Kingdom. Switching accounts in Rise of Kingdoms is a simple and effective way to manage multiple characters or start fresh in a new kingdom. Begin by opening your profile in the top left corner of the screen, then go to the Settings menu located at the bottom right. From there, navigate to the Accounts section, which is separate from the Characters menu that only manages your current account's profile. In the Accounts section, you'll find the Switch Account button, tap it, then select Login to another account, and carefully enter the login details for the account you want to switch access to. After submitting, you'll be immediately switched, giving you access to the other account. It's a good idea to double check that you have saved your login credentials for each account and ensure a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. Using this method, you can efficiently alternate between accounts, manage multiple kingdoms, and take full advantage of different resources, progress, and strategies across your Rise of Kingdom profiles. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.